Hello students, now we are going to see about data communication codes. So codes is nothing but a group of bits is used as a code to represent a symbol. Already we know that symbol mean it is a group of bits is called symbol. Now we are going to see the definition of data communication codes. So the data communication codes is defined as a prescribed bit sequence such as letters, digits and punctuation marks used for encoding characters and symbols. Next, why the codes are needed in data communication? A binary digit can represent only two symbols. Either it may be a 0 state or it may be a 1. But this is not enough for communication between two computers because there we need many more symbols for communication. So only these two characters is not enough. We want to communicate more number of bits, so that we go for, instead of these binary digits, we go for single binary digits or group of bits is used as a code to represent a symbol. So what are the types of codes? So there are three most common data communication codes. One is a Baudot code, second one is a ASCII code, and third one is a EBCDIC code. Baudot code is a 5-bit code, that is a 2 power 5, it is a 32-bit code. And ASCII code is a 7-bit code, it is a 2 power 7 codes. And EBCDIC code, it is a 8-bit code, it is a 2 power 8-bit codes. First one, Baudot code. So Baudot code is a fixed length character code developed only for machines. It is called telex code or Baudot code. This Baudot code is also called fixed length source code or fixed length block code. This is a 5-bit character code that used primarily for low speed teletype equipments. The Baudot code, all characters are represented in binary and have the same number of symbols. The expansion for ASCII, American Standard Code for Information Interchange Code. We know that this is the 7-bit code. ASCII is the standard character set of source coding alphanumeric character set that humans can understand but the computer does not. So it is a 7-bit fixed length character set, that is 2 power 7, that is equal to 128 possible combinations, either zeros or 1. ASCII code using 128 possible combinations. The ASCII code, the least significant bit is a LSB B0 and the most significant bit is designated B7. And see here, this is a B0 and this is a B7. In ASCII code, the bit can refer by its order rather than by its position, and this is a B0, so that it is a 0 order bit. This is a B1, first order bit, second order, third order, like it is a 7th order bit. ASCII code, not it is defined in terms of position, it is referred in terms of order of the bits. Parity bits used in ASCII. So what is the use of this parity bit? It is used to detect errors introduced during the transmission. So we are all knows that the channel introduces some errors. So these are all the errors should detect. Then only we can correct the errors. So that the parity bit used to detect the errors. ASCII is a generally 7-bit code, but 8th bit is often used as a parity bit, which is used to detect the errors introduced during the transmission. EBCDIC code. So EBCD, the expansion for EBCD is Extended Binary Coded Decimal Interchange Code, and it is a 8-bit code fixed length character set developed by IBM in 1962. EBCD is almost exclusively used in IBM mainframe computers and peripheral equipments. And this is a possible 8-bit character code. Probably 2 power 8 leads to 256 possible combinations. But not all the combinations are used. Only 139 characters are used out of 256 codes. And there is no parity bit used to check errors in the basic code set. But ASCII code, they are using parity check bits used to detect errors, but here there is no parity bit used to check errors in the basic code set. The EBCDIC code bit 0 to bit 7 is represented as B7, here is the LSB, and B0 is the MSB. Thank you.